jing sapriang jong ka khubor kerdu gas khamtam ha ka jing beteng jong ka thama ha padeng ka United States of America bat ka Israel persya ya ka Iran ki Paidbah ki baju pendon kam ya ki tyndong gas ban shet jing shet dang step kila khore harangkat ka jing Kulmar jingmut ban lechim gas nadu na stok ka badon hasnong mautunum haribhoi district balasam da ka ribhoi gas agency ki bor sensyar ka district jong ka ribhoi halor ka ne ka benta kala thawru da ka district LPG supply monitoring committee bat la syongru ya ka jingelang ka banungkong menta ka sngi ha pedeng u deputy commissioner ka ribhoi district harangkat ki officer lem bat ki nongmi khmat jong ka gas agency ban ya mer jingmut halor ka ne ka jinge bat kumno ban weng ye ki.
So, as we understand, because of the international reasons, LPG cylinders are indeed in short supply as compared to the previous situation, as compared to the normal situation. However, as per the instructions of the government of Meghalaya, we have formed one district LPG supply monitoring committee. And we had our first meeting today itself, wherein we took stock of all the requirements that have been placed with the gas agencies. We also took stock of the current stock position of all the gas agencies. Simultaneously, we have asked them to give us the list of all the commercial consumers so that we can prioritize the commercial users especially. From what I have been given to understand, yes, there have been certain times when the domestic consumers have been returned, but as of now, the government has placed a restriction that any urban consumer can only get a cylinder after 25 days of the previous cylinder, and simultaneously a rural consumer can only get it after 45 days of the previous cylinder. What we have directed the gas agencies is that they must make sure that those who are in need should not be returned. Simultaneously, the government norms to have to be followed because they are bound by that. But apart from that, it should be strictly on a first come, first serve basis so that there is no opportunism, there is no favoritism that is taking place, and justice is done to everyone so that nobody is unjustly deprived of their legitimate rights of the gas cylinders. So the shortage is on both fronts, both the domestic as well as commercial. The supply is relatively lesser as what it used to be. However, I appeal to all the consumers that they need not panic. The government is trying to make sure that all the domestic as well as consumer commercial needs are met. And it's just that we want to request to the public to have some patience and abide by the norms that have been set in. That is of 25 days and 45 days for urban and rural consumers.
Company ngiyo kataka assurance pa tamdan da kataka jing Duna stock. Tapos kani ripan India problem pi pamditang hani am kaya tingin ang notice ni. Te ka company hi kaile ka bala ben bahkan sabtang ni kani ka mari ban resort mon nam sa project di Paidbah. Takaraw ni imdan na kataka jing Duna stock tamalong no kani ka jing stock jungi mata ni hari bhai tamtam halo ngiyo lai hajat li ka booking. Ka Duna pi ka jing yo jungi kalau ka Duna kan men-supply. Te nadu men Friday lu kamyo te ngirang syom tas ni. Te gidan lu lah hajar booking te atau te kelak Duna mungkin supaya berapa lah hajar ta. Tai teman men Duna te ngiyo assurance untuk ni apa kemudian apa di Duna.
Oh kemudian kana ni. Te kumba te ka kompoi gas ni.
Gas ta. Ka kumba ngai pi men Friday ngiyo men Saturday ngiyo last. Dan mentah kasi nadu Friday nadu men Saturday nang issue am tasi meaning by this whole week iyo tam tasi kata ro kapoy tang arteli kata te ajar mo beri booking ta te ka Dunai ka pun customer base jang aru gidi buan gidi ginan gidi PMU wai te gini kala pemi kata protokol berkemai ba kini ki ba yo tang show gas mata ki yo ban adin 45 days ki yo gas ben ya asam jenjar kini kata ro 45 days kasi kori ki begini gas ben begini ban refill ben Jadi protokol mentar kalau asam jenjar ini mungkin supply baru. Jadi macam time ya, tan mika meeting berdisi supply department berka company lu haju ke port, komunitas ni lu kada bejir ngidan meeting, tentang LPG crisis mengidan mentar. terambah kipat bak kunum kinyo kan ketuka kam tamai kami kali ajengi riboi jengi mungkin lebih sufficient stok mah mungkin lebih supply kipat bakแต่ใช่ก็jungi dah ni ditang nang supply esok na te nak kalian jungi dah ditang masuk upload pergi ki kan mungkin tu mau menyerap jungi bangin yo pengen kipat bak mungkin nang spokesperson jungi public ya tai min jungi teman ta nama kajing indan jungi kajing order jungi dengan indan ben yo order ben maksi Kini ka hukum supply jungi, supply chain jungi kan. Mentara pendapat labun masuk poi tro kipat bak kreatif lawan poi hagu daun jungi. Kita jungi lah jenja ban mina bro. No. Te ka apa ka dia ka panic booking jungi bro. Te ka turu ka wan pen jenja jungi haban print not kani ka receipt te bun sen ngi check pat jadi itu bila labio gas. Te atoma sistem jungi pat ngi hap ni jelo bayaki. Te gitu gibreu gidi ban yo kimio su. Kalau mata tanah ada gibreu di panik ya kalau kilang panik booking ya. Nyele ka ban lahi ban pustu na kalian jungi dan ni ka awareness ban omba wajib saya ka gas kan poi pet. Na ni te ban omban bu gas ni bu na ba. Kipai bai hidon kam so ngiru ka di business jungi mungkin subuh untuk dan kimo di agensi ban hot i kum turu. Nam tip kita mengipat nyele ban ai bai kipai ba. Masan penting yang bayaki nambah ngim kuat lah bahan. Entah nambah set ketiu kamtam ni kena school bikilet school ini kamtam ini for exam di college nak school ini tai saya jung sakoweru long keting jungi long kani ki kamu mostly dengan sungai pi kadi booking ni bab pensaying minta nah bagi beliau tidak dalam panik dalam por corona tu dalam panik pelan tambah jing sekali ke stok kebiang lagi ni kita mesti yang ilah pernah bisa cepat ya third point jungi ya kajeng bagi siam ikut kat ke agensi dalam ba ki delivery boy jungi ki showroom staff jungi ki siam jeng nomor bagi yo ngolong bunsen ki sakran tho kamde ke phone jungi ki leki try bet hadu ko buje ro banya le banya phone ni Paidbah bakin ya wan sim ga sakal apoi te gila kia along nak muki gila res kajing jong lagi hantam nai nawa ki happen deliver swa itu ki bring la book swa first priority gede gitu tambah ki happen niat ke snong ka thau jong ki brio kilang ki brio pat booking kisah keren kisah kendoi teng tu ya senai hi nga kusai jeng safety and security jong ki showroom ki delivery boy songa te kata di go main tu banga sem jong mga kum ka agency jongi kata ini
jing edei bakane ka don sisa ka jing song khaya ka bajor na kalyang jongi ki nong elam snong bat na kalyang ki nong song snong jong kari boy hi brokoi markum bangi I ka statement ka minister la ai managini ki singi I buong ba kanam don gano ka jing kerdo ya ki gas dan rai kum bagalong pat menta ba ki Paidbah jong ka dong ri boy khamtam ngia yang lain rong imyo upli boyang na do menstek rong imyo ki ong ba kam don ka supply THI kita ke jingkular jong minister boong bom dan jingkerdo gas. Namar gi baboni Haribo district menta hakleng gi jaka lapun slor bantang gas. Marngim kwa su bantang de gidieng kamtam ma sor nong po lele gi I bagi babon ki penangkam de ka gas lenda. Andre ke jingkular jong minister ke sulong tang ke jingkran labla ke baklem dan nong remi ai. Hne ka port momenta na kaliang kasunjuk rang bas nong Haribo district ngida kentujur ya ka sorkar bakam dei ban supenlong kam kai ya kejeng dei begini ban sekular thok yang ki Paidbah marwat penjenja ini lada don ong bai don lada don ro ong bai don ketang mengintip ya ka ba kumno ban penkre de gwe ki lat kelenti rei kum bagalong menta te ngidap sisa ta kejeng isne Paidbah namar yang lan kam yo de gas ki ong bom don supply kejeng kren jeng minsta kadai ka bathok kadai ka bakla kam dan jing dei ai kumba ukular ba ong ba on don jing kerdo Henry kadang don pun ban sibun ke jing kerdo aga jing edai batki selenda